So morning everybody. Today is the day that we are going on a trip on our favorite rocket ship. Just kidding. We're heading out and who knows where we will end up, right?
We know where we plan to go, but we don't know if we're going to divert at some point.
We are going to divert.
And that's the beauty of it, because when you have the entire day at your disposal to do nothing but find places, you have a full tank of gas, a good vehicle, you don't have a choice.
Oh, right on, so no.
Morning. Morning.
A few weeks ago, we got a taste of what it was like to be out of quarantine. You know we had to get a bigger bite at some point, right? We are back at Jake's in St. Elizabeth. But as beautiful as this property is, there are other places that we need to explore. So right now we're on our way to the Black River Safari. I've been on it before, but my companion Ariana has not. And so there is a bit of an interesting development that is going to occur when we get there. St. Elizabeth. Honestly, we did not know that this parish was so beautiful. Once you turn off the main road, it's like you're in paradise. If there's anyone from St. Bess watching, drop a comment and tell us which slice of your St. Bess paradise we should visit next.
When we drove into this complex and you read what was on the wall, what was your first reaction?
I wasn't expecting. Honestly, I wasn't expecting crocodiles. I wasn't expecting to see crocodiles. I didn't even think that we do these things.
So when you heard Black River Safari...
Listen, I don't know. I think I was expecting to see monkeys and giraffe and these things. Not crocodile.
But Black River.
Black River is the what? The capital, isn't it? Of St. Elizabeth. So I'm expecting that it's just the name. You know, I wasn't expecting. And we're going to go in boats. Listen.
We're going in a boat just for two, so we're good. I honestly don't believe that you didn't know about Black River Safari.
I'm nervous right now. Very nervous.
Don't worry about it. And the crocodiles can come right up to the boat if you want.
If I want, I don't want them to come.
And you see, we can even see them being fed. I think the last time I came here, I was able to hold one.
What they're going to eat?
I don't know.
I don't want to see them being fed.
Anyway, you're gonna have a good time. We're just waiting for the first tour to begin. And then we're out of here. I'm gonna talk to you again after we're done with the tour. Don't worry about it.
I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Don't know if I'm going to complete this tour. I don't see no crocodile. I tell you now, you have Lake Placid. What was the other movie, man?
That's Hollywood.
I don't care. That's why I'll never go on a ship, because I've watched Titanic and it just really don't sit well with me. Yeah, what's the other crocodile movie I said?
Crocodile Dundee?
Yes. You have so many of these movies. Why you think it's safe to come and sit down and watch crocodiles?
We're not going to be sitting and watching them. We're going to be sailing along and watching
So we
them.
couldn't just sit down on the side. That's not like when we go watch dolphin and them jump up and we clap. Yeah. But we're going on boat, go watch crocodiles. Man, I'm not looking forward to this. I don't know what I was thinking when I heard. I don't see us as a set of people would have ramp with crocodiles. We don't see it. Why would we want to do this?
It's gonna be fun, trust me. Trust me now.
Friend of yours and also your crocodile Dundee, right? All in one. So the black river is coming all the way from into Trelawney, and underneath the black river bridge, Bevianas in the Caribbean Sea. The water around is black, it's a mix of fresh and salt. Fresh to the top and salt to the bottom. The depths around here between 20 to 30 feet. Our trip's just gonna take us 2.5 miles upstream, hoping to show you beautiful birds, wetland vegetation, and some of our friendly crocodiles, right?
That's friendly.
So the Black River is 44 miles long or 70 kilometers in length. Over here to our right, we have a nesting and roosting area for eaglets birds.
Okay, yeah, we see. Right here. But you say you see me don't need to go any closer?
Come.
There's Peter. There's Peter. Hi Peter, good morning.
Come.
Come here.
You can move around and take notice, no problem. Peter is just like about 5 years. They can live up to 100 years or over 100 years. Come. in the mood. Sometimes they come to the boat, we give them a piece of chicken. Sometimes we give them a handshake.
I don't feel like it.
Nice.
That's not a small fish.
Here it's very peaceful and quiet. Very quick spot to the boat without the gas. Normally when we out, normally ladies first. Just captain go to
Hey, you got a video question. Wow, it's quiet.
The Black River is one of the longest rivers in Jamaica and home to over 100 species of birds and plants like the water hyacinth. It is a rather beautiful plant but very invasive. On the way down the river, we met Peter. He completely ignored us. He made up for that, however, by giving us a fantastic show on the way out.
Look how she ate that.
Cut the front.
Cut everything from real close.
Cut the foot back. Cut the tail. Watch me swim away.
After a couple of hours. You good now? You good? Got every part of me, okay?
Not all the crocodiles are in the river. In the holding area, or the crocodile prison as we like to call it, here we have crocodiles that have been raised from eggs, as well as crocodiles who are inmates, for want of a better way of putting it. For example, Catty got his name because he was found in Portmore eating someone's cat. But crocodiles that need to be rehabilitated are often caught and brought here, put through the rehabilitation for a few years, and then released into the river. Did you know that crocodiles, because they have no sweat glands, they sweat through their mouth? So when you see a crocodile with its mouth open, it's not that it wants to eat you, it's just trying to cool off, alright? The same way we would have to turn on a fan or an AC, that's their natural air conditioning.
or what would be something that you want them to look forward to seeing and being fascinated by and experiencing and enjoying?
The river is really nice. Like the Black River is really long. I didn't know that. It has a unique look to it. It's black, but it's clear like clear water.
How can something be black and clear?
I don't know, but it says something underneath the water, change the color of the water, so it caused it to be black. Like it looked like oil showing in the water, but it's that's one thing to look forward to. The river, it's really beautiful, like, and very peaceful.
What you thought about when we got off the boat and went into that other enclosure to the side? What you thought about going around there? Seeing Kathy and Shirley.
Oh, in there, so in the room, yeah, man. Listen, they were big. They were huge, man. I was even afraid to walk in there, but it's nice. It's a nice experience. Like I would recommend it to anybody.